I need to scratch every voucher worth 200 dirham. So we have a lot of voucher. You take me picture video, baby. But I don't have.
You're going?
It's okay. Agoy, I will win this one. What's this name?
Better luck next. That's over.
Yushu, also where Yushu?
Better luck next.
After I will win this one, 100,000 dirham. Good luck to me. Better luck next time again. Just go for how many card this one?
Scratch it over.
Yeah, what I mean is every 200 dirham, right? So every card guys worth 200 dirham. Better luck next time still. It's okay na, you off na that one. If you off that one, I can get the lotto. Still, better.